Hey YouTubers, got another rice cooker adventure. We've got in here some quarter cup of basmati rice, a cup of water, a little bit of white wine. We've got some sliced celery, very thin, some onion flakes, some parsley, some garlic, pepper, Italian seasoning, and a tiny bit of turmeric for color, and put in a can of herring fillets after the liquid was drained off. That's going to cook in the rice setting. On the top in the steamer basket we have some shrimp with some whiting and some spinach on top. Going to steam this. Could have put it inside with everything else, but what I'm going to do is steam this, and toward the end I'm going to put some cheddar cheese on top and have this separate from the rice and see what happens. I'm not following any recipe. I'm just seeing what happens, and I think it's going to be good. Okay, come back when it's done. Okay, I put in the cheese at 3 minutes, and it's melted just like I hoped. The cheese is on top of the spinach and the fish and the shrimp. I should mention that I added a little bit of Italian seasoning on top of the fish and the shrimp. The rice is basmati. I add a little bit of turmeric to give it a yellow color. Man, that makes so much. It's just a half a cup. That's incredible. It's amazing. Yeah. One of my favorite YouTubers is always saying, "That's amazing." I can't tell you who it is. Man, that looks good. That looks very good. Man, oh man. This whiting here, sometimes it has little pin bones, and it was frozen. I didn't check. I should have checked harder before I put it in here. I hate having pin bones. Can we put this in here on the plate without the cheese? I want it on top. There we go. Hold together. Hold together. I have faith in you. Okay. There you go. My neighbor's saying, "What is he doing? Talking to himself?" Yes. Yes, I am. Man, that smells good. I don't know how this looks on camera, but it looks delicious. Have a little shrimp. Very moist. There isn't any salt in this rice. This is the basmati rice. It makes a nice rice. Let's try that herring. The herring is very mild. It's firm, kind of flaky. It's not mushy. It cooked very well. I'm surprised. Let's try some of that whiting. Probably should let this cool a little bit. The whiting is very hot, and it's a little soft. It's not mushy, but it's not flaky as I would like. It's a very mild, tender fish, and I think maybe this could be a little overcooked. But you know what? It is super hot. Let it firm up, let it cool off just a bit, and see what it tastes like. I'm going to add a little lemon juice to the rice and fish. I'm kind of surprised at how well that herring came out. It doesn't have that kind of salty can flavor that it does when you eat it fresh out of the can. Here's a little soy sauce. It's very mild, and it has a nice texture. The rice with the lemon and celery and onions, and the herring is very good. Let's try some of this whiting. The whiting is fine. As it cooled off just a bit, it was super hot. It's firmed up, and it has the traditional mild whiting flavor. It's not mushy. It's not overcooked. There is still flavor in it. It's not dried out. It's wonderful steamed fish with Italian seasoning on top, and the spinach and cheese. Guys, I don't have a name for this dish, but I would definitely make it again. It was very simple. Almost no preparation involved. The only thing I would change is I would have rinsed the fish off more and then looked for the pin bones because it could be some hiding in there. I don't want that. But other than that, it could use a nice sauce with like ketchup and mayonnaise, like a little tartar sauce or a fish sauce. But other than that, I'm happy. It worked out really well. Once again, I'm surprised at how well the rice cooker is doing by cooking things that I would not normally think you would cook in a rice cooker. Because normally I would just cook rice. So it's been a big surprise. All right, take care. See you out there. Oh, don't forget to check out all my other rice cooker videos and my hundreds of other videos I have on cooking and many other subjects. Been making videos for 18 years, once a week. Everything imaginable. So guys, check out my channel. And the people I featured at the bottom of my channel too. No relation to me, they were not anyway. Really good people. Really good channels. Take care. See you out there.